Hello everyone, welcome back to your class 2 science class. So today we will discuss about the project of your science. Okay, so hope you all get the project of other subjects also. So this science subject we will also discuss on your online classes, but till now for your knowing, you have to if you see this video, you will get to know about the project of the science also. So this project is some interesting project, that is lives on scrapbook. Lives on scrapbook. See here, I already write here. So which things you have to do? First of all, you have to take a thin copy book which is 10 or 12 pages. That is very, if you have the this 10 or 12 page scrapbook, you can use this. But if you don't have, you can buy this. That's only the 10 times 12 page is to be thin, little thin also. Don't buy any thick copybook, any heavy page of copybook. Don't want this. Only they have the 10 or 12 page of this you can buy. And next you have to do one thing on this copybook, that we already discussed about some plants, right, which you already know about those trees, about those plants, herbs, shrubs, climbers, creepers, which already know those their difference and their examples also, and why their names are different, and every examples of the herbs, rose, and so you have to do one thing here, that there is no differentiate about on those leaves, but you have to collect 10 leaves of different plants. 10 leaves of different plants that may you will, if you have garden, you can collect that hibiscus leaf from your garden, right? And the rose from if you have the rose plant, you can collect rose plant. But one thing, don't pluck any leaf from the trees. When collect those leaves when that is already in the ground, okay, and because you know they are also living beings and they will get hurt also, right? So don't hurt them. Collect those leaves which you already fall down on the ground. And if you have a lots of if you collect lot of leaves, you can share with your friends also, because you already learned, I already told you about sharing, right? That is very good things. So share those leaves. If you have a maximum of the extra of 2 or 3, you can share with your friends also. Or if your friend asks you to share them, to give them, obviously give them those leaves if you have the garden also. So you have to collect 10 different plants, 10 leaves of different plants, like you can collect hibiscus, rose, tulsi, neem, which we can see marigold also. So you can collect those plant from which you already fallen down, and you have to collect this. Then you have to paste it on your scrapbook, on your right side of your scrapbook, okay, right side of your scrapbook. And you have to write their name also, because if you don't write their names, you can't understand that is which leaves of which tree, tape or any glue. Then under it you have to write its name also, that hibiscus name. So you have to write here name hibiscus, okay. So now if you have the rose leaf, write that rose. If you have the marigold, tulsi, write under it, under this leaf which you paste, that is marigold, that is tulsi. And this scrapbook, this total scrapbook, if think that it is your scrapbook, so on this page, on the cover page, you can decorate it if you want, okay, not mandatory. If you want to decorate it, you can do this. And you have to write on your name also, because this is your scrapbook, which anyone can understand, right? So that's why you have to name on this scrapbook. You have to write your name, your school, your class also. And if you have to give the cover, you can do this. If you can decorate, you can do this. And this, if things that is the page on of this scrapbook, and this side, this right side of this page, you have to paste this leaf, and you have to write a name under it. And the next page, don't paste here, okay? Don't paste the opposite of this leaf, which where you paste it. Go to the another page, and there leaf again, paste again another leaf, then write down its name. So like that you have to paste those leaves. Hope you will get enjoy, you will get fun to do this project. And hope you saw this video, seeing this video now. And if you have any problem to understand these things, that any problem if you face and you can't collect, if you can't collect, you can tell your friends also that to give you those things, those leaf which they get, so you will get also easily these things. If you can't anything, you can ask me the chat box of your e-portal, okay? You can ask me, don't hesitate about it, you can ask me freely. So I again repeat it. First, take a copy book that is have the 10 and 12 pages on it, in it, and don't buy the thick copy book, that's not needed. Then collect 10 leaves of different plants, not the same plant, 10 leaves of different plants, maybe hibiscus, rose, marigold, tulsi, neem. There are lots of plants neighborhood areas, in our neighborhood areas, and don't pluck them. Just collect which is already fallen down on the ground, and paste it by sellotape or glue. Paste it on your scrapbook and write the name of this plant or leaf, okay? So hope you understand. And this page of your the total scrapbook, you can cover it. You have to name your name, your school name, your class also on over or upper top of this copybook, right? And that's name is leaves on scrapbook. So hope you will understand it. And if you have any kind of problem, you can ask me on the chat box of your e-portal. So that's all for everyone. Have a nice day and bye.